This is a sponsor review of the Terahertz Gua Sha tool. So since I'm new to this, you might want to check out some facial massage techniques on YouTube. There's different directions you want to go in and different parts of the actual tool that you'll want to use on certain parts of your face. The most important thing is to make sure that you start with a nice, fresh, clean face, which I've already done. As you can see, I have no makeup, and I'm just gonna apply some facial oil. And I've seen lots of people use this tool and they look amazing. Obviously, you know, there are other things that factor into quality skincare. Oh, that feels good. And you can see when you put the oil on there, it just kind of glides across the skin. And it feels really cool. This is fragile, so make sure that you take extra special care of it. I love that it comes with the carrying case. And they said that it's crafted from Terahertz. This little guide that is also present tells you which parts of the tool are for what areas of the face. I have actually had one of these before, but it doesn't seem like it was the quality of this particular tool. This one is so much bigger. And as you can see, my face is still really oily. Anyway, I give this product a thumbs up.